Hello, I'm Wayne with Modular Hydro. Today we're going to talk about our direct top feed systems. Now what's unique about our direct top feed system is it's quite revolutionary in the hydroponics industry. Now we did do a video back a month or so ago, and you can pull that up on modularhydro.com and review that video. And what it does is it shows you, if you purchase a direct top feed system from us, it shows you how to put the system together. And it literally only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to put the entire system together. And what I'm really excited about today is we're going to show you a plant that we're actually growing in one of our direct top feed systems. Now this happens to be what we call the direct top feed countertop system. This is our smallest system, but yet you can see a 3-foot tomato plant. This is a Roman tomato plant that's only about 6 weeks old, growing in our EcoFlow Cube countertop. Now it comes in 2 sizes. We have the EcoFlow Cube, which is a 2-quart grow container, and I'll explain how that works. And then we have a 4-quart grow container for even a larger plant. So if you want to grow a 6 to 7, 8-foot plant, this system will suffice. Now here's what's unique about it. The benefits of utilizing our direct top feed technology. Number one, it uses a lot less water. This system is actually up and running right now. You can't see it. We're going to give you a close-up on how this thing works. But right now it is running, and it's using less than 2 cups of water at any given time. So you have the reservoir, and then you have the grow chamber. This grow chamber has 2 quarts. We're using grow stones today. Okay. So the water is actually pouring into the top. That's where the term direct top feed. Now what's unique about the direct top feed system is the roots stay in the grow chamber. They don't go down into the water, okay? So the water is being poured into the root zone, and it's directly going right back into the reservoir. And that's how you can get away with using such little water, and also less nutrients. So your cost of water, evaporation of your water is very minimal of any other hydroponic system on the market today, and you're using less nutrients. Now what's unique is every 3 to 4 minutes, the entire reservoir is actually flooding in and draining back in. So you're recycling constantly. You're taking advantage of all the nutrients and the water. And you're not flooding your plants. So it works in a little bit different way than most people are used to. Now let's take a look at the height of this. Right now this tomato plant's about, like I said, 6 weeks old, and it's about 3 feet tall. Yet, let's take a look at the size of the container. It's only 7 inches by 7 inches by 9 inches high. That's what we're excited about showing you today, is how we can grow a tall plant. So if you're growing medical herbs, no problem. This system will grow a 4-foot plant all day long. This system will grow a 6 to 8-foot plant, and it's only 1 inch taller. It's only 10 inches. It's still 7 by 7, but you literally have twice the root mass capability in this system, which is actually, you've got 4 quarts versus 2, and you've got a 3-foot plant growing. Now, we've also staked the plant. In other words, you can actually put a stake right down straight through the system, and now what's unique about it is, you notice there's no external fittings, none whatsoever. A lot of people that grow medical herbs in certain states will actually bury this container outside, right up to its reservoir lid, bury it in the ground. So what that means is the water and the nutrients stay nice and cool underground if they're growing outdoors. So you can do that because there's no external fittings. Everything is internal. What it does, it pumps the water directly to the top, and it goes directly back into the reservoir. And that's quite revolutionary. We've also trademarked the system. You can go on to Google or any of your search engines and type in direct top feed, and you'll notice we come up #1 on every one of those search engines. The reason why is we are the creators of this. It is now in the patent office in Washington, D.C., so it is a unique technology. Well, to show you something else that's really unique with the system. When you try and drain the system, you don't ever have to lift, okay, the grow cube from the reservoir. You never have to touch anything. You can simply plug in your drain hose into one of your emitters and completely drain the system, And then to fill the system, you just simply pour your nutrients and your water back in, and you're done there. To check your pH on a daily basis or every 2 or 3 days, depends on how you want to check your pH or how often, you just simply lift the ring, fill, check your pH, and you're done there. It literally is one of the simplest systems to use on the market today. And what's exciting about it is it truly is revolutionary. 1 plant per cube, huge, large plants, very small space. You can get 4 of these cubes in less than a 1 square foot area. And as the plants grow, you just simply move them apart. I mean, it really is incredible. But what I was excited about today was actually showing you this Roma tomato plant that's 3 feet tall in 6 weeks. That is phenomenal. The system is literally, you can move it around. It really is idiot proof. You can build this thing in 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's take a close-up look on how the system works. Remember, on the outside, there's no hoses, there's no fittings, there's nothing. Everything is completely 100% internal. The emitter ring with the emitters, there's 4 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, and number 4. Now, this main emitter here is the one where you simply, if you decide to drain your system, you simply turn it, plug your line in, turn the pump back on, completely drain your reservoir, and then fill it back with water. So that takes care of that. You can use any one of the emitters if you want to check your pH. You just simply fill your pH container, put your pH solution in, check your pH, and that's all there is to it. This is what's really unique about this system. At any given time, you're only using less than 2 cups of water. So what's happening is the water is pouring or emitting, as you can see these, and get a close-up here. It is literally pouring. It's not a drip type system. It's literally pouring the nutrients, the water, into the grow chamber, and is draining directly back into the reservoir. That's what makes this system quite revolutionary. Now you can, depending on where you live in the country, you can set this up. Here in Las Vegas, we run it for 30 minutes and we leave it sit off for 2 hours. It comes with a timer. You can program the timer to kick on and kick off depending on where you live in the country. But what it does too is it uses very, very little electricity. So on an annual basis, you're using minimal water, minimal nutrients, minimal electricity, and you're getting maximum growth. And look at these leaves. And it's incredible that you can grow a 3-foot plant out of 7 by 7 and only 9 inches high. Out of a 7 by 7, 10 inches high, you can quite comfortably grow a 4 to 7 foot. Again, I'm Wayne, and I want to thank you very much for allowing us to share our latest technology with you. We really pride ourselves on working on new technology in the hydroponics industry. And the direct top feed systems truly are state-of-the-art, and they truly are revolutionary. There is no other system on the planet that grows like these. They truly are incredible. Again, I am Wayne, and make sure you go to modularhydro.com and check out more informative videos such as this. But really take a serious look at the direct top feed systems. There's several different systems we have available at modularhydro.com. Again, I'm Wayne. Thank you.